Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about how to design a program using Flowchart. So I know you are eager to learn how to code like this. 100 lines of code, but that's not what we are going to do first. In professional project, what we actually going to do first is to design the program like this. So here we have the program development cycle. After we determine what we need to do in our program, then we move to the next step, is writing code. But this is in the second step, not the first one. And then move on to correct errors, test the program, and fix bug, and go back to design program stage. So there are two main tasks in this stage. The first one is the purpose. You need to know what you need to do in your program. What is the output? And the second one is breaking your work into small steps. Here I have an example of how we do it in design program. Let's say we have a problem: find even numbers in range from 1 to 10. So the purpose of your program is to determine what is the input and output of the program. The input should be a list of numbers from 1 to 10, and the output is a list of even numbers. As step 2, you need to break your work into small steps like this. Step 1 is to get a number from list, then you check if it's even. And at step 3, you should go back to step 1 if there are unchecked numbers, and finally you end your program. So here is design of a very simple program, and you can try to make it more vivid by using flowchart. I mean, you can express your program through figures like this. Basically, flowchart has 3 kinds of nodes. The oval shape, which is called terminal node, express where you start your program and where you end it. The diamond shape, which express compare operation, like when you want to compare this number to that number or something like that. And finally, the rectangle shape. Normally we are going to do some kind of processing in this node, like executing some functions, calculating something. And for the example above, find even numbers in range from 1 to 10, we can have a very simple flowchart design like this. First, you start your program, and then you get a number from list, let's say 1. You check if your number is even, because 1 is odd, so it will be false. When this happens, you check if this is the end of the list. Of course, we have another numbers in our list, so if we go back to the first step, get another number. Let's say now is it true. You continue to check the number. Is this sky is even? So is you will go this direction through free into the screen and go back to check if your list is empty or not, and go on till 10. When that happens, this is the end of the list, so your program ends here. This is a very simple flowchart. If you are beginning to be a programmer, I urge you to try to practice it every time you have to design a program. Try to make it as your habit. Try to design your program first before you actually code something. And we have a small problem here for you to practice. Find x where a equal b multiplied by x. Can you try to design the flowchart for this one? Okay, so you may want to pause the video right now, because I'm going to show the answer later right here. Okay, I hope you get no trouble in finding the design. So here should be the answer. Please let me know if you have any questions about this one. Thank you and see you in next video.